Flex Your Marketing Muscle is an interactive mastermind workshop led by master trainer and sales and marketing strategist Melissa D. White. This high-energy workshop is filled with nuggets and tools to activate your team with purpose at work and in the world while mapping out customer journeys and using inbound marketing strategies such as social media marketing, email marketing, blogging, visual content, SEO, and much more to gain the audience that you need to reach and draw the right traffic to your properties. We map out these journeys together and have fun while learning. Check out our mastermind workshop today.
Management. I'll never be alone. There's always somewhere that I can be the answer. And there'll always be somewhere where people need to live.
We really want to thank Melissa for having a great class. We enjoyed this so much. I can tell you that I got a lot out of the class. She really has some good experience in the leasing industry and the property management industry, and really brought a lot of energy to the class today. And we enjoyed learning about some search engine optimization, social media, and just a lot of aspects of marketing and how it can be applied to your business. And I can tell you, she really had a lot of energy and helped us understand, how we can better apply these techniques in our day-to-day routines. And also we had some good interactive learning within the class, which helped us open up a bit and really get to know people around us, which turned out to be a really good experience and just kept the class very lively. So we really appreciate that and enjoy the class a significant amount. Thank you.